What's the first thing that comes to your mind when you hear the word debt? For most people, it's stress, anxiety, and pressure, phone calls from debt collectors, bank alerts, and a salary that disappears the moment it arrives. Society has built a completely negative image of debt in our minds, so much that we now see it as an enemy we must escape at any cost. We were always told, live within your means. Debt is a burden. Debt brings stress and shame, and yes, that's partly true. But that's not the full picture. There are two types of debt. Bad debt, the kind that destroys your financial life and steals your future. Good debt, the kind that builds your wealth and helps you reach financial freedom. The secret is not debt itself. The secret is the type of debt you choose. Why do people fall into bad debt? Because of instant gratification. Ads always say, buy now, pay later. It makes spending feel easy and painless. But in reality, you are paying more later for something you don't need now. Sarah saw a luxury bag she always wanted. Her logic said, it's expensive. But her credit card said, buy it now, pay later. She bought it. A year later, she paid extra interest. The bag lost value. She lost money twice. That's bad debt. Jack wanted a brand new car. He took a loan to buy it. But cars lose value fast, 20%. In the first year, up to 50%. In 3 years. So while he is paying monthly installments, the car is losing value every single day. Good debt is money you borrow to buy assets that increase in value or generate income. This is called using other people's money, OPM. If your return is higher than the cost of borrowing, you win. Real estate is one of the strongest examples of good debt. You borrow money, buy a property, rent it out, and the tenant pays your loan. Education is another powerful example. You borrow money to learn a skill that increases your income for life. Wealthy people don't sell their assets. They buy assets, borrow against them, live off the loans. This strategy is called buy, borrow, die. It helps them grow wealth while minimizing taxes. Before taking any debt, ask yourself, am I buying an asset or liability? Will its value increase or decrease? Will it generate income? Is the return higher than the cost? What happens if I lose my income? Your answers decide everything. Debt is not your enemy. It is a tool, a weapon. Bad debt can destroy your life. Good debt can build your empire. From today, think like an investor, not a consumer. The choice is yours.